Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great. If your laptop screen is flickering on Windows 11 or Windows 10, this tutorial is for you. Screen flickering usually happens because of three common reasons, and in this video, we'll fix it with three simple steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Update your monitor driver. First, right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Now maximize the window and look for monitors. Expand it, and you'll see something like Integrated Monitor or PNP Monitor. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. First, click on Search automatically for drivers. If Windows says the best drivers for your device are already installed, don't worry. Close the window, right-click on the monitor again, and select Update Driver one more time. This time choose Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You'll now see two or more compatible drivers. Sometimes screen flickering happens because the wrong monitor driver is selected, or an older driver is causing compatibility issues. Try selecting the second driver and click Next. If the issue continues, try the third one, and then the first one if needed. It's basically a quick trial and test process, and usually takes only a couple of minutes. Once done, check if the flickering issue is fixed. Step 2. Update your graphics driver. If the problem still exists, the next thing to check is your graphics card driver. Go back to Device Manager and expand Display Adapters. Here you'll see your graphics card, such as Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. First try Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't help, repeat the same process as before. Select Browse my computer for drivers, then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now try the available drivers one by one. Second option first, then third, and finally the first one if necessary. For many users, this step fixes the screen flickering problem completely.